Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful prima donna espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no water was coming out of the fruit, nothing was coming out. And that was because the water pump needed to be replaced. This water pump is dated all the way from 2008. So yeah, it's been running for a while and we replaced it with a 220 water pump, 2-minute one. It's the same water pump we just from this year. So starting with my shop espresso, we're gonna test it out. That's what we did to this espresso machine. We just replaced the water pump. You see right there. That's the grind activating. That's the transmission going to the generator. Pump activating. Water passing around here to the generator, to the diffuser, and going into the cup. Nice steady flow coming out of the machine with color. And perfect bubble. And there you have it, the DeLonghi prima donna working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.